My name is Attorney Deadra Stokes. I practice out of Chicago, and I've been practicing for almost 24 years. I practice in the areas of estate planning. I do some probate work. I do some federal court practice, some federal litigation as well, and real estate. For years, I've had a partner, and my partner recently was appointed to the bench, and so he is a judge at this point. I recently downsized because I just learned how to work smarter with more efficient, using more tools that were efficient, which also brought me to law clerk. I found myself with a couple of deadlines that were pending, and I was looking at the time that I had in order to get them completed. And I said to myself, there is somebody out there. There is somebody that is smart enough, literally, that's smart enough to put together, because I know there's a group of attorneys that don't want to go to court, that are very smart and intelligent and just want to do the work and want to do it well. So it was everything I wanted for what my need was. I needed somebody to help me do the research and draft this. I needed a team. I needed a team to help me with a couple of cases. And so I said, okay, let me try it out. What also solidified it for me were the different privacy steps I had to go through. With taking the selfie of myself with my ID, and it's such a polished website. It's so efficient. So did everything that it said. And literally, the first couple of people were stellar people. One was some guy in Hawaii, and he clerked for a couple of judges in the area that I was looking for. I was like, oh my God, this is amazing. So ever since then, I've told tons of people, because I have tons of friends who are practitioners like myself, and some of them have it. They said, you know what, Deadra, I'm gonna get around to it. I'm like, you don't know what you're missing. It was better than a human being, right, in my office, honestly, because the interfacing and the communication was just great. Our pleading was much better than their pleading, and I think we surprised them because they're looking at me and they're like, you're by yourself, right? So we can beat you up and we can just throw whatever together. And I'm like, oh, okay, that's cool. I can see that you're slacking a little bit. I'm not going to. So this is the wave of the future, because what's happening is that it's going to be more difficult, I think, for you to hire people that literally want to come and work inside an office. And so the model is going to be to get better employees, more effective employees, is to try to diversify in respect to how they work and how it works for you. So economically, amazing, all right, for a small business. I've doubled my profit and I've gotten a great product. My name is on it. It's absolutely great. My client is happy because it's efficient. I met the deadline. It's a no-brainer.